Hey y'all, I'm back. Let me see who in my chat. Mm, mhm. Now look, you know supporters don't be coming on here trying to check me. I just gave you the tea yesterday. Okay, you know what I say? Like, I gave you that tea yesterday, and a little birdie told me that that roller coaster is about to start. Make sure you keep your hands down. You buckle your seatbelts. Get ready to ride. You know what I say? I heard it. I heard it through the grapevine. I heard it through the grapevine. That roller coaster about to start at 9. Oh shoot, it's already past 9. It must be starting late or something. What y'all doing tonight? I don't even know what day. Oh, it's still Friday. Mm. How y'all Friday doing? How y'all Friday doing? Y'all see the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow yet? Did you see that pot of the rainbow? Did you see that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow? That's what I meant to say. But anyways, I can't wait to see what Miss post. Little birdie said she got some fire coming out. You know what I'm saying? I wonder what she gonna be talking about. I'm just waiting patiently. Y'all know when I get that tea, mm, I'm gonna come back. You know, my face finally trying to get right. You know what I say? Like, you gonna eat your cornbread? Don't drop the soap. Okay, y'all guys, I gotta go because I'm waiting to see what Miss about to drop. Okay. Anyways, go like subscribe. Wait, they're running that algorithm. Ooh, I think they might.